How to switch from Amazon business to personal. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. For this, you need to open up a browser that you prefer. In there, search for Amazon.com. Make sure that you are logged in into your Amazon account. Once you are logged in, to switch from your Amazon business to personal, select on Account and List. From here, instead of your business account, you will find the option of your personal account. Tap on it. Here, you will find the same button, Begin Account Conversion. Just tap on the button. Then again, select on Convert to a personal account instead of your business account. Now all you have to do is enter email or mobile phone number that is linked to your Amazon account. Then enter a password of your account. Select on sign in once you are done. By this way, you'll be able to switch from your Amazon business to your personal account. This is a quick and easy process. However, if you find any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check out the help and support of Amazon. That brings us to the end of the video as well. We hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.